Hey guys, I've got no makeup because I am excited to be doing a foundation first impressions and just overall review. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. It's got SPF 20. It's supposed to be brightening. So I'm looking online and this is supposed to have the brightening complex, which is made up of Chinese Wuju Yu extract. I don't know what the heck that is. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin A, C, and E, and antioxidant blend, and SPF 20. There's a lot in there. I just really wanted to pick this up because I wanted to try a, I guess, more natural foundation at the drugstore, and I always love Physicians Formula. So it comes in a glass bottle. It opens up like this, and then, whew, it's got a nice, huge doe foot applicator. This color is hopefully a match. I have a lot of breakouts lately, so hoping to cover all of that. I think this is supposed to be like a medium coverage foundation. So I just have moisturizer on my face. I already put my eyebrows on because just felt like it. So I'm going to blend this in with a brush, a flat kabuki. Oh no. Did I buy a shade too bright? Like too light? The shade that I got is in MC1. I basically had to like look at the glass and match it to my skin at Ulta because you can't open it. It's like covered in a plastic wrap when you try to buy it. So it's really tough because you can't like really open it up and sample it, which is a good and a bad thing. Like, you know, you're like assured that no one has touched your product that you're gonna buy and pay money for. But at the same time, it's like, I want to know the color. I guess technically, yeah, if you want to go ask the sales associate for a sample, they could give it to you, like, at Ulta. I don't know about, like, drugstores, though. Like, that's the problem. I don't think drugstores like Walgreens do that. Okay, so I definitely feel like this is a little bit light for my skin. Like, if you look at my face and then my neck, it's a little bit lighter. I'm just gonna pat my face with a wet sponge. Okay, so I'm just looking closely into my mirror right now just to see like if I like this. I think on camera it looks better, but you can definitely see that it's not full coverage for sure. You know? It's like medium coverage. If I didn't have any pimples, like major eruption volcanoes, I think it would be a fine foundation. I look crazy right now. I look cakey. I didn't put like crazy much on either. Let me make it clear that I have combination skin. I have very oily T-zone, and then I have oily cheekbones, and then I kind of have like dry under my cheekbones and like my lip area. And when I look in this area, it looks cakey. I don't really enjoy that. I don't know if I like this. Has a satin finish, but almost like finish is a little bit powdery. So this is definitely not for anyone who has dry skin, because in the areas that I would say are like normal / dry for me, this area is just like it's not working out. Maybe a little bit of like facial mist will work to make it a little more seeped into my skin. I want to like this foundation, so I'm trying facial spray. I put on Fix Plus on my face. So let's take a look again. I'm so sad. I feel like the Fix Plus facial spray didn't do anything to like blend in this bottom half here. Okay, you guys are really up close and personal here, but like you can see what I'm talking about, right? Look around my lips, just looking a little powdery, you know? I don't want a powdery finish. Like, if I wanted powder, I would have bought powder. I was a little disappointed by the foundation, but you live and learn. There's a racing car. So for me, I did not like the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation with SPF. I wanted to love it. I really did. But it just didn't work out for me. For me, it wasn't like the color or coverage that I didn't like. It was the finish. I just did not like this satin powdery look finish on my skin. It just looked like it was sitting on top of my skin instead of being blended. I hope you guys found this video helpful for you guys if you guys are searching for some sort of foundation. If you guys like this video and want more, subscribe and like this video. Super appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!